A Naples City Council member wants to know if you think everyone should be required to take a COVID-19 vaccine when it becomes available. Vice Mayor Terry Hutchison's asking people to reach out to him because he says he plans to bring it up for a discussion at a future City Council meeting. Fox 4's Rob Manch spoke with him, joins us outside from Naples City Hall. Rob?
Well, Hutchison tells me he started asking people about a vaccine mandate after he was contacted by several of his constituents. He says many people feel like this could be the next step after the mask mandate that just passed in Collier County. Even though a COVID-19 vaccine is months, if not years, away from market, Hutchison says now is the time to start talking about what to do when it becomes available.
This could actually become a serious subject matter for government officials to consider.
Hutchison says a mandate has to be considered because in order for a vaccine to be effective, a large number of people have to get it. Dr. Robert Hawks at FGCU says the concept is known as herd immunity.
Generally, you need about 80 to 90% of the population to have immunity, in theory, be vaccinated in order to be protected against that, to therefore achieve what we call community immunity or herd immunity.
But right now, researchers are afraid that, given the opportunity, many people would not take the vaccine voluntarily. We ran a poll on our Fox 4 Facebook page today asking if a vaccine became available, would you take it? More than 1,600 of you voted and overwhelmingly said you would not. And many of you commented saying, quote, the vaccine needs more test results, maybe after a year or so. And quote, no way. Have you seen the ingredients in one? Ugh. And another that simply said, quote, willingly, no. But I also had the chance to speak with a pediatrician who works in Tampa, Dr. David Berger. He says it's far too early to be having these kinds of discussions.
Let's say the protection lasts for 3 months. Will people consent to getting a vaccine every 3 months? You know, there's so many permutations as to what this may end up looking like.
Ultimately, Dr. Hawks says whatever vaccine does come to market should be left up to the choice of the patient.
I think probably a voluntary method is probably the most effective.
And Hutchison tells me he's leaning that way too.
The more things we can leave to individual decisions, probably as a society, we're better off.
And Hutchison says if you want to reach out to him, you can find his contact information on the City of Naples website. And if you want to participate in our Fox 4 poll, head to our Facebook page and share your opinion. In Naples, Rob Manch, Fox 4, in your corner.